Walk slowly, don't rush.
I want to taste it.
What a lovely day for a walk, beta.
Yes, Amma, the mango tree looks so pretty. Can we pick one later?
Of course, we will get the sweetest one.
Look, Amma, that one is ripe.
You saw it first, clever girl. Hold tight.
I can reach it.
Careful, don't bruise them.
They smell so sweet.
Nature gives us sweet gifts.
It smells like sunshine. It's cool under the tree.
Trees are our shade and shelter. Wash them nicely.
They are shining now.
See the color? Golden like summer.
Amma, it's so sweet.
I knew you would say that. Messy girl.
Sorry, Amma.
These slices are for later. Open your mouth.
More, please.
This will cool us in summer. Stir gently.
Like this?
Yes, just like that. Let it cool properly.
So refreshing.
Summer feels lighter now. This will last all year.
For winter too.
Yes, especially for winter.
It's so colorful.
Sun will dry them slowly.
Go away. These are ours.
Fresh leaves bring good luck.
Oh, I see.
Rest for a while.
Okay, Amma. One, two, three.
You are counting fast. Sky looks like mango color.
Yes, golden and sweet.
Hold the basket tight. Careful, it's still warm.
It smells so good.
Today was the best day. Summer memories stay forever.